Welcome. In front of me I have the Huawei Band 7, and today I'll go over unboxing of this tiny little watch. So anyway, just popped it straight open. Actually at the back, I'm gonna stop for a moment right here because we do have some information about the device itself, which I can't really find much about it, so this is actually a fairly good one. So we have a 9.9 millimeter bezels, like we actually care about this. We have a 1.47 inch AMOLED display, so that's pretty nice. Long battery life. Now, I never like how companies tell you long battery life instead of the actual milliamp hour batteries, but I do understand in terms of watches when it comes with like something like this, which is Harmony OS. This will obviously get way better battery life than what you would get from like a typical Android OS or Wear OS watch with the same kind of battery capacity. And typically Harmony OS lasts long, and even in this kind of like smart band feature, it's gonna last even longer. Though I would probably like to see in terms of like hours approximately how long does it last. Then we have a heart rate monitor, sleep monitor, blood oxygenation, what else? Fast charging. Ooh, that's actually nice. We have a 5 atmosphere water resistance, so this is equivalent to about 50 meters down in water depth, basically. So that's actually pretty nice. Most of the people probably will not be able to get to 50 meters below. So for the typical or even majority or even like swimmers, this is probably gonna be capacity. They will never exceed the 5 atmosphere resistance right there. So that's actually really nice. Now, last thing is the 96 workout modes. So obviously like running, jogging, and so on. Anyway, let's just pop it open and just get a look at what's in the box. So here, as you can see, we have some paperwork and a charger. Now the charger is actually nice, it's magnetic, so it just attaches to the back. There we go. So, there we go. Obviously a setup, and you can kind of see the display if I position it correctly. So you see the bezels, though the bottom bezels is quite bigger than what they advertised to be at. What was it? At basically, okay, it's 1 centimeter. Not that much off. So yeah, you can see the display, the brighter part of it, and reflection. Now I'm not gonna go through the setup. I would need to download their application for this, which I don't really want to do. I'll mention, obviously, for people that are using non-Huawei device. If you have a Huawei device, you should be good to go. All you need to do is update the, I believe, health application. But for everybody else that is using non-Huawei device, if you try to use this watch, you will need to download their health app from their website, I believe, or just search for it on the browser. The health app that is in the Play Store does not work. It is outdated at this point, so it didn't receive any updates for like a couple of years now, and it will not work. So you need to download it from Huawei's site. And I also didn't see any kind of QR code to quickly scan right here, so you can quickly get the app itself. There is one, but this is just for the manual. That's a warranty card, so nothing in here. yeah, so we don't get any kind of QR code for a quick download link. But yeah, anyway, that is basically all we have in the box, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.